For this particular setup, I'd recommend using Hostinger. The reason why I recommend Hostinger for this setup is because of their new tool called Hostinger Connector. With the Hostinger Connector, you're able to connect Claude Code to Hostinger, just like we did with Higgsfield. So that means that your image generation and video generation, your website build, and your hosting are all connected through Claude Code. Using the Hostinger Connector, Claude Code is able to automatically deploy your website online and even push out updates live. And to get the best price available on your hosting, just go down and use the first link in the video description. That link will get you the best price available and an extra 10% off discount. When you use that link, it'll take you to this page right here. Once you're here, scroll down and click Get a Plan. And that's going to scroll you down to the plan options here. For this website, I would recommend just using the business plan. So under the business plan, I'll click Choose Plan. And then on this page here, you can start by adjusting your billing period. By default, it'll be set to 48 months, which is a pretty long-term commitment. I'm going to switch this to the 12-month plan. This will get us a free domain for the first year and plenty of savings. Scrolling down, I'll choose my domain name. I'll go with emberlinecoffeeshop.com. And as you can see, that's available and free for the first year. I'll select this. You can also adjust the billing period for your domain. I'll change this from 2 years to 1 year. As you can see, that's going to be $0. Then on the right side, you're able to review your order, check out everything here, and make sure you use the first link in the video description to get this additional 10% off discount. Once you review everything here, just scroll down and click Continue. And on this screen here, you just have to register for a Hostinger account. So I'll enter my email address right here. And then I'll also create a password. Then I'll scroll down the page and click Register. Now on this screen here, just fill out your billing address and your payment information to continue. And after you fill out your payment information, you'll be brought into Hostinger's onboarding. However, because of the way that we built our website, we're just going to completely skip the onboarding here. Start by going up to the top right and clicking this X. Then click Leave. Then go to the top left here and click on these 3 lines. Click into Domains, and then find your domain name here. Click Setup. And it will ask you to fill out some details here regarding your domain name registration. So make sure that everything is correct on this page and click Register. Now Hostinger will register your domain. It's going to let you know here to check this email address to make sure that you verify it. You should get an email from Hostinger soon that just has a link you need to click. Once you're done here, click Continue. And from here, we just need to go back to the Hostinger Connector page. You can easily get back there just by clicking the first link in the video description. I'll enter that link up here and press Enter. Now back on this page, click Install Extension. Then here, select Claude Code, copy this, and go back to Claude Code. From here, just paste it in, and then send this. This is going to connect Claude Code to your Hostinger account. And after a few moments, this web page should open up in your browser. And now if this web page doesn't open up automatically, here's a quick fix. You'll just want to close your Claude desktop app and reopen it, and then go back into your chat and ask Claude Code to open up this web page for you. Once you're here, just scroll down and click Allow. This will connect your Hostinger account to Claude Code. Let's go ahead and switch back over to Claude. Back over here within Claude Code, it's currently asking about my domain name. It's asking if I want to use the free domain that I claimed earlier. So I'll say, yes, use my domain. And now with that done, Claude Code is going to deploy your website and connect it to your domain and get everything online for you. This will take a few minutes to complete, so I'll fast forward to whenever it's done. Okay, and after a few minutes, your website will be deployed live on your custom domain name. Go ahead and click on it right here to review it. And you'll see our domain name right here, and the entire website is completely functional. I would also recommend reviewing this website on your mobile device as well, just to make sure everything looks correct there too. Now, if you ever want to make changes to your website, you do it the exact same way through Claude Code. So if I switch back over to Claude here, and I close out of this preview, I'm able to chat with Claude Code just like I did before and push out any more updates. And because it's connected to Hostinger, it's able to automatically deploy everything and make those fixes for me.